Okay, since we're quarantined, we're gonna start working this project of replacing the rotted out panels on this console. I know a lot of people probably be upset because we're not doing it in mahogany. I think we're gonna try this ASIC and rebuild it because we just want to make this a good usable fishing boat. Okay.
Little punky here.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
but I think once this piece is in, it's going.
Yeah, just keep scraping that around.
It's sharp. It's actually filleting little layers of wood off. That's it.
Yeah. Well, that's good. We'll get it cleaned up and go from there. Get these front panels off.
It's like a
nice.
milk paint.
There's our templates.
Is Lane making it home?
I haven't heard anything yet.
Pretty cold?
A little bit. You better eat your sandwich before this
I did eat a sandwich.
Okay, guys. Thank you all.
Thank you.
I'll take pictures. I'll send them to you.
Have a good day. That's the underpiece. That's good.
What's this one? Can we try this one?
All right. What you got? Ooh, that felt like it drove it in.
Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Let's try drone.
These. Get in there and get the plugs out.
You good?
Yeah. These are flatheads.
What was that?
That was my phone. There she is, all taken apart. It's ugly. There's the pieces there. Gotta get the screws out, get it cleaned up, put her back together. There it is with the first piece on. Really nice and solid now. Well, there it is. It's actually not too bad. Now what I want to do, I want to get white caulk, fill in all those holes, cover up all those countersunk screws. But all in all, it's turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. What I'll probably do is sand everything down, paint it, and I want to paint the deck next. That'll be my next project. But not too bad. I think all told, counting the screws, every stuff, all the stuff I needed, the sheet of AZAC, I have about $120 tied up in it. I'm going to get a nice rod holder for the front, put that on, clean everything up. Hopefully we'll get out there and go fishing once they allow us to do that.